Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial of Tech Assist. Today's video is based on how to create an account on League of Legends. First, go to your web browser and on top there's a search bar, type www.leagueoflegends.com. So once you land on a profile page, go to your upward right hand side and on top there is a sign in option. Tap on it. As the sign in page loads, now on top there is a username and password. So if you already have an account, you can log in or sign in using your username and password. Either log in through Facebook, Google or Apple ID. And now if you don't have an account, so go down to the bottom and tap on create account. So as the another page loads, there is enter email here. So enter your email address. So after you finish entering your email address, tap on start. So now you need to enter your birth of date, and after you finish selecting your date of birth, tap on next, and here you have create a username and password. Now create a username. Now create a password. Again re-enter your password or confirm password, and don't forget to mark on terms of services and receive occasional emails from Roy team. So after that, tap on next. As you can see that my account is created and I'm all set. And that is how you can create your account on League of Legends. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.